Hi, this is Ed. Welcome to my YouTube channel. There's a lot going on here, so take a look around. Please make comments. Please subscribe if you can. That'd be great. I'm a percussionist. I play on marimba, vibes, timpani, drum set, percussion, hand drums, djembes, congas, recycled percussion, just about anything you hit. That's what I kind of get into. I also play on keyboards quite a bit. In my lessons I perform with students as well. I might be doing some Skype lessons, things like that, so if you're interested in lessons that way, let me know as well. And my website is in the comments if you want to get more information about any of the above. I also ran the Drum Exchange in Seattle for 25 years. It closed in 2017, so this is an archive for that store. There's videos about clinics, performances, instrument reviews, product reviews. If you're a percussion company out there and you have something you'd like me to take a look at, I'd be happy to take a look and make a review for you. I'm also a composer. I write music for TV and film and media. I've had music on many films and TV shows over the years. I score music for projects as well. I've even done music for choreography as well as theater and even a planetarium at some point. So take a look at those videos. I'm having a lot of fun doing those, and let me know if I can help on that as well. I license my music as well, so if you have videos out there you're looking for music for, I have quite a stockpile of music as well. So please let me know. Please subscribe to the channel, and we'll hopefully see you down the line. Thanks.